अब मैं किसी भी क्रॉप को देखूंगा, टू क्रॉप कॉम्बिनेशन में आई विल सी विद रिस्पेक्ट टू 50. I said that rice in eastern UP, if I am talking about eastern UP, rice is 64%. And then I said that, और क्या होता है, sugar cane is, I said that 24%. clear? And then क्या होता है बता दो, wheat I said that 12%. ऐसे ही है. तो हम लोग देखेंगे क्या, अब यहां से हमारा निकलेगा मेथड ये सिग्मा में, समझते हैं ना. तो पहला इसके लिए स्टैंडर्ड मुझे क्या मिला, यस टेल मी. टू क्रॉप कॉम्बिनेशन के लिए मैं क्या देखूंगा, आई से दैट 50 माइनस 64 होल स्क्वायर. सो इट इज डेविएशन इज हाउ मच, 40 प्लस सिग्मा मीन्स प्लस. सेकेंड आई से शुगर केन 24, I said that 50 minus 24 square upon n means two crop combination. इसकी वैल्यू सपोज आ जाए 1200. इसकी वैल्यू क्या आ गई, सपोज इस वैल्यू इज 1200. अंडरस्टूड. अब मैं थ्री क्रॉप कॉम्बिनेशन के लिए देखूंगा. थ्री में मुझे 33 लेना है, मुझे 33 के रिस्पेक्ट में 33 माइनस 64 स्क्वायर प्लस 33 माइनस 24 स्क्वायर प्लस 33 माइनस 12 स्क्वायर अपॉन 3, एंड आई गॉट व्हाट आई सेड दैट 340. तो कौन सा मुझे दिख रहा है लिस्ट डेविएशन, 1200 और 340. 340 is least deviation na. So in the eastern UP, what is there? Three crop combination. What is there? If there is a less least deviation, that kind of crop combination is being under the utilization. Who has said that? Weber. So again, then first was Christoller and second was, just tell me, Weber, to use quantitative technique. Simply ये सब पढ़ाया जाएगा, just I'm giving an idea, and यदि यूज कर लोगे तो examiner will be also very much happy. Understood it? और वो आपको एफर्ट लेना होगा, 2-3 लाइनों में बहुत 1820 to 1830s. So it is not the concept, is a recent concept, it is a very old concept. And then why do the positivism first came? He came first. Use of science against religion and metaphysics. और आपको ये पता हो 1870s, 1820s और इस समय 19th सेंचुरी में रिलीजन और मेटाफिजिक्स कितना ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर रहा होगा. तो आप लोग बोल रहे होंगे, आज भी आप लोग बोलते हो ना, हमारे यहाँ इंडिया में अभी भी पीपल आर गोइंग एंड देन मेकिंग द मिल्क टू ड्रिंक टू स्नेक. स्नेक इज पी रहे हैं. एंड वंस देयर इज वन न्यूज कम इन इंडिया that the Ganesh Bhagwan is what is having milk. Everybody started in the temple and then Sivlinga, surface tension. The use of science, first then scientific method utilized against whom? Religion and metaphysics. And thereafter it started moving further. So positivism में क्या हुआ? Positivism में science, scientific, if I have to read something, some data and all, कुछ भी read करना है तो scientific method has been utilized on the basis of what? Empirical evidence. On the basis of scientific method दिया गया, लेकिन किसके बेस पर? Empirical method, experimental method has been seen. Oh, this is an experimental method. Yes, and the science is proving it. Then slowly and slowly it become like this. And then third phase, if you see like that, it become the, what is during the quantitative revolution, he become what is best supporter. Yes. Perspective and philosophy of positivism, perspective and philosophy of positivism has got its more importance during the period of, yes, quantitative revolution. Understood? Got it? This is about positivism. So positivism supported which technique? Who has given this positivism? Yes, tell me, who has given? Auguste Comte. So समझ में आ गया temporal growth of it. Understood? 1950 to 63. That is an S, simple statistics, spatial science, yes, descriptive analysis, multivariate analysis, and then probability model, PM, and then SCM, yes, supply chain model. And then given by Ullmann, and the 1960s में ideography was replaced by whom? Nomothetic, scientific, systematic, law making, generalization. First हमने क्या देखा इसमें अंदर? Stewart's empirical mathematical rule. Second one we have seen, yes, किसने दिया? Social physics. Wunsch, जिसमें VI, example साथ में set कर देना. VI equals to PJ upon Dij, potential. Thereafter we have seen Gibbs list effort rule, and Hagelstein, he has given stochastic probability model, yes, maximum probability. And then possibilism से जुड़ा हुआ क्या है? Probabilism. Understood? Choosing the best possibility, it is nature is providing the, what is known? Several possibility, and choosing the best possibility out of it is known as what? Probabilism. Then who has given this? Haggett, Harvey, Chorley, Bunge. Then we have seen who was the first? Christoller. Second, Weaver, Cobb combination. Then we have been able to see which university is famous for Sweden, Lunds University. And then LD Stamp opposed this quantitative revolution. Another, I said that an LD Stamp mental map, behavioralism. Mental map means, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Behavioralism. Mental map, आपका behavior location पे depend कर रहा है, location पे और आपका predetermined information in your body, and then some information from outside. You make in a one environmental world. Yes or no? This is in a what? behavioralism. Understood? I said that this is clear, and positivism supported, and then first in 1820 and thereafter it is coming, and then first it is against the religion and metaphysics in the world, existing in the world. कई बातें आज भी होती है हमारे यहाँ जाओ, if we go in the north east and eastern India mostly, God has come in him. Yeah. ये यदि साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास ले जाए तो he is considered to be what some kind of patient. They are patient actually. लेकिन so religion and metaphysics, and then positivism has got very much. I said that after that scientific method उन्होंने जितने भी empirical evidence से provide किया और उसके बाद उसको study किया, and then they have given their approach in this field, and thereafter it is in the field of what I said, that quantitative revolution. And कब आया था ये? So after the Second World War, mathematical language, economical language, mathematical language used in the geographical field and the economics and all. Then the language of literature and descriptive. यही तो है. What is the definition? We can say like this. So जो भी आप समझें अभी. And then it mainstays on the formulation of abstract model, जिसको आप fill कर सकें. Abstract model that you can touch. Objectivity. Yes or no? Which model he wants to give? Objective model. It is mainstays to give which model? Objective model or abstract model. ट्रेडिशनली यदि हम लोग देखें तो क्या हम जानते हैं, अर्थ को क्या देखते हैं? इट इज इन अ डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ अर्थ. यस, दिस. बट व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड डूइंग इट्स इन अ correct mathematical understanding, measurement of circumference of the equator, and what is the distance between longitude, what is the distance between each latitude, and then when you started doing rational, and then you started doing what is an accurate and orderly study, that becomes what? Quantitative technique. तो quantitative revolution में क्या हो गया? अर्थ को देख रहे हैं, लेकिन अर्थ को हम लोग क्या देखने लगे? We started seeing in the different. So advent of quantitative technique in the field of 1950-60s, geography required an accurate, orderly, yes, better order में बताया था, and rational description and interpretation of characteristics of the Earth's surface suitable for complex mathematical calculation. तो हमें क्या करना था? We have to provide the order, accuracy. We have to provide order, accuracy, and which description? Based on logic. Based on logic. Understood? Rational expression. Understood it? So now, और ये सारी चीजें quantitative analysis focus on the field studies. Yes or not? किस पे study पे कर चुके हैं हम लोग? Field study means primary data, genetic primary data, analyzing secondary data, and applying sampling technique. Yes, tell me. What's your name? Huh? Arvind, tell me what is